Hello my dear students, today I am going to explain NCERT 9th class exercise 4.3 8th problem which is on page number 75. The question, let me read the question. Okay, in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in India, the temperature is measured in Celsius. Okay, here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. Converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. In this question, again some bits are there. First we will solve this question. See, always remember, we know how to convert the Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. It is given in the question also. Okay. So F is equals to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Now we will make. It is asking us to make the graph. For this problem. We will take a small graph for this. Okay. I am taking the graph this side. See, it is x, y, then x comma y. First, we will take x as f, y as c. X as f and y as c because it is given c and f. Okay. So, if I put at the place of c 0 plus 32. 0 into anything it will be 0. F is equals to 0 plus 32. So, f is equals to it is 32. F is equals to 32. What we have taken at the place of x, that is f, 32, and y, what we put? 0. It will be 32 comma 0. Next, we will put f is equal to 9 by 5 plus c into 32. Now we will put at the place of c 5. What will happen to this? F is equal to 9 by 5 into 10 plus 32. I have taken 10. Okay. 10. You can put, no problem. You can put 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever you want to put, you put, no problem. 5 on the 5 to the 10. Now f is equal to 9 into 2 plus 32. So f is equal to how much? 9 to the 18. 18 plus 32, how much it will be? 18 plus 32. 18 plus 32, 5, 8, 9, 10, 0, carry 1. It is 50. How much it is? 50. F is equal to how much? 50. F is will be 50. But what is there at the place of f? It is x, 50. And at the place of c, it is 10. That is y, 10. That is 50 comma 10. Now we will make the graph. How to make the graph? Here no negative, so I am not using the negative. Here all are positive, so I am using the positive. X, what we do? X is f. So here it is x. And y is f. So y. Here I am taking c and here I am taking f. Okay. Now we should place the points from this one. We will take the 10 gap difference. Okay, 10 difference. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, you can take more also, no problem. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, no problem. Okay. Now, first 32 comma 0. 32. How you will find the 32 on this one? See here in 30 and 40, in between 30 and 40, you will find the small lines. Okay, small tail lines. So after 30, you should count the two small lines. After 30, you will count the small two lines. So it will be 0. It will lie on 0. Y-axis is 0. So it will be 32 comma 0. 32 comma 0. Next, 50 comma 10. 50 on x-axis. 10 on y-axis, 50 comma 10, 50 comma 10. So now join these two. It is forming linear equation. What is the, if you want to write, you can write this also. F is equals to equation. F is equals to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. F is equals to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Scale, how can we write? How we should write the scale? Everyone knows how to write the scale. If you have not understood how to write the scale, we will see the task. Okay, we will see how to write the scale now. We will see how to write scale. Okay, see scale on x-axis. X-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to how much unit difference it is? 10 units. Like that, on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Problem is not getting end here. Still you have to do the problem. Still we have to do the problem. Okay. So this is one part of the problem. Still problems are there in the bit. Okay. We will do that problem. In the second question it is saying if the degree it is given degree 30 degrees centigrade. So 30 degrees centigrade. So what will be the 30 degrees Celsius? Then what will be the Fahrenheit? What will be the Fahrenheit? So F is equal to 9 by 5 into 30. Why they are substituting at the place of C here 30? Because here in the question it is given here. Okay. Celsius it is given 30 degrees. So 5 1 is 5, 5 6 is 30. So 9 is F is equal to 9 into 6 plus 32. 9 into 6 plus 32. So F is equal to 9 6 are 54 plus 32. F is equal to 54 plus 32, 4 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 5 plus 3, 8, 86. Here it is 86. Next, third one, if the temperature is 95 degrees Fahrenheit, F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So how much Fahrenheit it is given? 95 is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So 95, take this 35 towards the left hand side, 32 is equal to 9 by 5 into C. Now 95 minus 32, how much it will be? 95 minus 32. 5 minus 2 it will be 3. 9 minus 3 it is 6. 63. 63. Take this 9 by 5 this side, it will become 5 by 9 equal to C. 9 on the 9 and 7 by 63. 7 into 5 is equal to C. C is equal to how much? 7 5 is 35. C is equal to how much? 35. In the next, what we will ask? Next question. If the temperature is 0 degree, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? If the temperature is 0 Fahrenheit, that means we are doing now both. If the Fahrenheit is 0, what will be the Celsius? If the Celsius is 0, then what will be the Fahrenheit we are going to do now? See, we are seeing if Fahrenheit is 0 and Celsius is 0. First we will take Fahrenheit 0, we will see, then we will take Celsius 0, we will see. Okay. If F is equals to 0, so F is equals to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. 0 is equals to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Take the 32 this side, 0 minus 32 is equals to 9 by 5 into C. Now minus 32 into 5 by 9 is equal to C. So this will be 9 by 5 will convert to 5 by 9 if you are sending the sides of the, means changing the side. Okay. Now 32 into 5, 32 into 5, 5 to the 10, 0 carry on 5, 0, 15, 16. It is minus 160 by 9 is equal to C. C is how much? Minus 160 by 9. Convert it 160 by 9. 9 into 160. So 9 1 it is 9. What is remain? 7 0. 9 7 how much it is? 63. Remain 7 0 point decimal point. 9 7 it is 9 7 63. Again it is going on. So we will take approximate. C is equals to minus 17.8 because it is getting repeated again and again. So we will take 17.8. 17.8. After that we will put Celsius 0 and we will check. Okay. Now C is equals to 0. So F is equals to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So F is equals to 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. 0 into anything, how much it will be? F is equals to 0 plus 32. So F is equals to, it is 32. F is equals to how much? F is 32. F Fahrenheit is 32. Okay. Now we will go for the next problem. Last problem of this. Okay, last bit of this problem. Last bit of this problem. What the question is saying in this one? The question is saying that what we should take so that the Fahrenheit and the Celsius should be equal. What we should take so that the Fahrenheit and the Celsius should be equal. What the value we should take so that it should be LHS and RHS should be equal. That means Fahrenheit and Celsius should be equal. Now so simple problem to do. See, it is saying that F and C should be equal. F and C should be equal. So what is the formula? F is equals to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Then I write at the place of C, F, or at the place of F, C, because these two are equal to each other. Okay. So F is equals to 9 by 3 into F plus 32. I am using C as because these two are equal to each other. These two, F is equal to C or C is equal to F. Okay. Now F, take this towards the left hand side, minus 9 by 5 F equal to 32, minus 9 by 5 equal to 32. Now it is unlike fraction. First we will convert the unlike fraction to like fraction. So F or 5F minus 9F by 5 equal to 32. 5F minus 9F, how much it will be? Minus 4F is equal to 32 into 5. 32 into 5 minus 4F is equal to 32 into 5. 32 into 5. 5 to the 10, 0 carry 1, 5 to the 15 plus 1, 16. It is 160. It is 160. So F is equal to 160 by 4 minus 4. So either you take minus to the numerator or denominator, it will be equal. So place is not sufficient, I am writing here, okay. So F is equals to minus 160 by 4. So F is equals to 4 1 the 4, 4 4 the 16, that is minus 40. So if F is minus 40, then the C also will be minus 40. If we take at the place of X, F minus 40, then these two will be equal to each other. We will check, okay. Check. In the place of F is equals to, what we have taken, F is equals to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So F is how much? Minus 40 is equals to 9 by 5 into minus 40 plus 32. Minus 40 by 32. See, 5 on the 5, 5 at the 40. Minus 40 is equals to 9 at the 72. Minus 72 plus 32. So it will be equal. Minus 40 equal to minus 40. Minus 40 equal to minus 40. This is the answer. Hope everyone understood. If you have any doubt regarding this problem, don't forget to write in the comment box. Okay. And if you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep watching my videos, like my videos, share my videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.